Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to link Wise to PayPal. Firstly, open the Wise app or website and then on the dashboard select USD from your account balance. Your USD account number and routing details will be displayed. This is what you'll use to link PayPal. Now go to paypal.com and sign in. From the dashboard, click on Pay and Get Paid. Then select Banks and Cards. Now click Link a new bank account and enter the Wise USD account details exactly as shown in your Wise account. Choose account type, personal or business depending on your profile, and finally click Agree and Link Bank. PayPal will send 2 small deposits in your Wise USD account. This can take up to 48 hours, so don't panic if they don't show up immediately. Now log back into your Wise to see the 2 deposits amounts. Copy the exact figures and go to PayPal, enter the deposit amounts, then click Confirm. Once the verification is successful, your Wise USD account will show as confirmed in PayPal. You can now withdraw PayPal funds to Wise, use Wise for PayPal payments, and move money internationally at lower fees. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.